Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview, and this is Chris. And today we are going to talk about Handbrake and about video compression software. Of course, there's a lot of video converters there that has a good compression, but with 8downloads.com you can go ahead and compress a video faster and more reliable. Now, if you have already Handbrake installed, you can see the Handbrake icon at your taskbar. You can just go ahead and double click it. Now, let me explain to you what is the video compression. Video compression is basically the type of compression, like what it supports. If it supports Universal, iPad, iPad Touch, iPhone, Apple TV. So the size of the video depends on the type of compression that you use. Of course, if you use web optimized, it will be smaller, or iPad 5G support, it will be more smaller. But you can compress also the video by using the quality. If you go ahead and lower the quality, and at the same time use the MPEG 4 coding, or the MP4, this would lower your video and will be compressed to smaller one, so you can just go ahead and use it even if it's only like a 2 Mbps file, or a 2 MB file. So that's the power of Handbrake. And not only that, you can go ahead and even compress the audio. You can add subtitles if you want. You can add chapters, and you can have the advanced mode. Now with Handbrake, whenever you compress a video, whenever you shrink a video, it wouldn't compromise the quality of the audio as well as the frame rate. So this is Chris saying thanks for viewing this video, and please go to 8downloads.com and support our products. Have a great day to all.